Joan of Arc having a Christmas party here at the office, and behind me are some Christmas carolers. In Ilonggo, it's called Daigon. So I hope in your country, wherever you are, you have your own ways of celebrating Christmas. Here in the Philippines, carolers are very much visible and heard everywhere. So they go from house to house and home to home, serenading everyone with Christmas carols. So here in the Philippines, especially in Bohol, we call it the Igon. So these carolers, we call them the Manug Daigon. So Merry Christmas. So even here outside at the lobby of the Hall of Justice is our Christmas party for the whole building. The design backdrop is of course by me! Yay! There's another caroler here. Solo caroler. Go on! Santa Claus Grabe, rocket me. Thank you. My exchange gift. Yeah, this is Joan of Arc. And see you in our next video. That's caroling the Eagle for you. Bye for now. Merry Christmas.